Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Twin Turbine, and I am Shashidhar Shetty. In today's video, I am going to discuss about the second lesson of automotive basics, that is automotive car body types. There are different type of car body types, and each and every car body design is a unique one, and it is not the same as like other car body design. And in this video, I'm not going to discuss about the body designs or body types of a truck or commercial vehicles, and that's a different topic, and only discussing about the passenger car body types. And if you are new here, consider subscribing and press the bell icon. You'll get the notifications whenever I upload some new videos. Let's get into this. Hatchbacks are the small cars with 4 doors and a boot or dicky door at the end. These are having 2 rows of seats, and they are designed to put 4 passengers who can sit comfortably. And because of the small design of these cars, the boot space of these cars are also very small, and one can put 1 or 2 bags in the boot space or the dicky of these cars. And because of their small size, and they are good for the traffic conditions, and they are good in heavy traffics. And including that, they are going to give a decent mileage also. Best example for this hatchbacks are Maruti Suzuki Swift, Alto, Baleno, Volkswagen Polo, and Toyota Etios Leva, and so on. Sedans are the cars having 4 doors and a single passenger compartment with the 2 rows of seats. The roof of these cars are fixed, and it is extended till the rear windows. And the boot space of these cars are very large in size, and they are always usually given at the end of the cars. Generally, the sedan cars are also called as 3-box cars. When you view them from the side of the car, it is having 3 different boxes like designs, because one is for the engine compartment, other one is for the passenger compartment, and the last one is for the boot space. And these 3 combined together will make a 3-box car. In many cases, manufacturer uses the existing hatchback vehicles to make sedan vehicles by extending the boot space. The best example for the sedan vehicles are Maruti Suzuki Dzire, Ciaz, and Volkswagen Vento, Toyota Etios. The MUV or the multi-utility vehicles are designed to create utility, and the seating capacity of these cars are ranges from 7 to 10 depending upon the size of the cars. The body of these cars are built on a chassis frame so that it can carry a large amount of luggage without any trouble. The best example for these MUV vehicles are Mahindra Bolero, Tata Sumo, so on. The SUVs or the sports utility vehicles are suitable for all road conditions such as highways, cross-country roads, etc. The body length, width, and the ground clearance of these vehicles are very large when it compared to hatchback and sedan vehicles. And these vehicles are also having advanced technologies for engine, transmission, differential, and have an option for 4-wheel drive also. The examples for these sports utility vehicles are Toyota Fortuner, Ford Endeavour, and Honda CR-V. The cubes are the cars which are having 2 doors and the 2 rows of seats for the capacity of 2 persons. The door size of these cars are very large, and in some of the models they are having a seating capacity for the rear also. These type of models are commonly used in European countries, and in India the count of cubes are very less. The best example for the cube vehicles are Aston Martin V8 and Audi RS5. The convertibles are special type of car body designs which are having soft folding type of roof linings, and their windows are of special wind-up designs. These roof linings can be removed or refitted as per the requirement. And in some models, the roof linings can be operated with the help of electromechanical devices, and it can be folded accordingly. And some of the example for these convertible vehicles are Mercedes SL Class and the Mini Cooper convertible. The station wagons are the cars which are the combination of hatchback and sedan vehicles, and they have a significant capacity of space behind the second row of seats to carry loads. And this space can be used for the additional load or the additional seating capacities. The dimensions of station wagon cars are larger than hatchback in terms of width and height. The best example for these station wagon vehicles are Maruti Suzuki WagonR and Nissan Evalia. The last type of car body design is the vans. The vans are the light transport vehicles and they are having seats in the front, and behind the seat there is a space for the luggage. And these vehicles are having an option of varying the number of seats and the luggage space. Usually the side doors of these vehicles are sliding type and the rear door is for the loading and unloading the luggage. The best example for these vans are Maruti Suzuki Omni and Maruti Suzuki Eco. That's it from today's video about second lesson of automotive basics, automotive car body types. If you have any comments related to this video, please comment me below in the comment section. I'm always there to reply all of your queries. If you really like the video, please hit that big like button, that will motivate me to put more videos. Thanks for watching this video.